Alright, I got out of bed late, but I'm thinking about taking these shorts here because they look super good. They look super good. These shorts look great, bro. We got like this 5 minute here. 5 minute off of previous day high. Immediate dump lower. Nice draws lower as well. I love it, bro. Trying to sell, so I need to buy back. Bro, I really just hopped on the charts and I was just trying to look. This trade looks super, super great. I look for this to be a break even. And now we get all the way down with these lows. And now we come all the way down here, but down here, but I feel like that's definitely a bit, maybe be a bit overzealous, but see if we have any other swing. We have this 4-hour gap, this 4-minute gap right here actually. ES looks really good for these shorts, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, this looks crazy. I think he doesn't look bad either. Alright, we're tapping into this 5-minute gap right here. If we're gonna be bearish, we should definitely obviously reject this gap. We'll see how we react here. The only reason I woke up late is because my freaking friend called me like 5 in the morning, and for some reason I picked up the phone. Just yapped, bro. I shouldn't have answered. Shouldn't have answered. Tap into that 5-minute gap right there. See how we play off of this.
This is what car you should own at every age.
ES is starting to reject this gap a lot, pretty heavily. Obviously needed to just break here. Bro, my arms are huge. Make my head look tiny, bro. ES is definitely gonna flush here. It's just, if NQ wants to follow, that's all we need. ES looks like it's super ready for it. Major dump. NQ's already started to respect this 5-minute a little bit. I would just like to see a bearish closure out of this. We wouldn't have taken a trade until 10 anyway, because of news. We had news at 10 a.m., which is back here, but we probably missed the longs So, this is a pretty solid setup, but I do hope it plays out because, I got sold and I sold myself, so. Let me see if my TraderVid accounts Apex got copied. I should have. Yeah, all of my TraderVid accounts are copied. All of the PAs. Like I said, ES really looks like it's ready to just flush from here, but I don't know what's stopping us from getting there. There we go. A little bit of there we go. Finally got a dip here. Stop loss is gonna go. Ugh. Don't give me another position, bro. But after we hit this 4-minute gap, that's where our stop loss is gonna go break even. We're kind of just making lower lows. Now we're just making. Yeah, I mean, we're respecting order flow. Yes, but that pop is nasty. Little nasty pop. It's a bad pop right there, actually. But like I said, ES still looks good though. It's just NQ's just not wanting to do anything. And they almost damn near look identical, but we inversed this 4-minute gap on ES, so inverse this 4-minute on ES. So. Bro, just get the break. I mean, like, bro, if you go to the 2-minute, look what we've been sitting in on the 2-minute chart. Like, come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. Just come on. This garbage we've been sitting in is garbage on the 2-minute chart, bro. Every trade we get into, bro, we just fucking chop. Chop, 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 and chop, and chop. Nah, I'm not about to be doing that shit, bro. Like, real life, not about to do this. Get up on the charts, lose $60. Sit the trade for hours, bro. And not do anything. Not do anything good. ES still looks. Never mind. ES still looks good though. I don't care. Like I know what I'm looking at, bro. We have S&T at these 1-minute highs right now, but you know, seems like we're about to go take them out. Yeah. Seems like definitely gonna go take them out. Probably should have just stayed in the fucking bed, bro. Shouldn't even open the charts. Saw what I thought to be a pretty nice setup, bro, but saw what I thought to be a super solid setup. Markets are gay. Markets are super gay. I hate gay markets and I hate gay markets. Why can't we just go back to what it used to be? Tap into the 5 minute that we made on ES, but you know, fuck, bro. Might just get slapped out before you can even retrace off of it if we're going to. Jesus, bro. Like, we made those 5 minute equal highs there, so I don't even want to say that that's what we were gonna draw to before we go lower, but whatever. I thought the setup was pretty solid. Just, I guess we wanted to retrace and go higher out of this 5 minute. Alright, well, fuck it. We're gonna be out of these. I think it's at this point, I think the only thing we can really do is like up our risk, bruh. And I only say that because if we would have been trading normal, like I genuinely think the only thing we can do is up our risk, because if we would have been trading normal, then I would have been back at break even. I would have been back at break even, you know. But now it's like, okay, if I take these this slow, like it's gonna take me 10 trades to get all the way back up to break even, and then it's gonna take me 10 trades to get all the way back to break even. But it's just right now is not the time, because obviously price isn't willing to really do much of anything as of recently. Like, it's not willing to do much of anything. Like, we got this 5 minute inverse. I mean, yeah, bro. 5 minute inverse off a previous day high. Nice V-shaped recovery, just didn't get the continuation I feel like we're supposed to get, but can't even come down here and fill these unfilled gaps. The real trade was here, probably. Come here, whatever the fuck happens here, what do we sweep out? Just some LR. LRL, then we go higher. Anything targeting these highs right here would have hit. So I don't know where the fuck we would get into a position at, but what the fuck that, yeah, so I think the only logical thing for us to do is just go back to normal risk, bro. Because all of our accounts are 49,200. So to get all the way back up to 50K, minus 49,200, it'll take us 8 trades, 8 winning trades to get us back to break even, which is like a whole month worth of amazing trading, like great trading for an entire month, and then anything past that, then we'd be able to go back to normal risk. I mean, I just spent so much bread on these accounts, I definitely don't want to lose them. But with the way the market's moving right now, it's definitely not a time for me to be putting risk on, because we're just not in a good month right now. So like January is just not it. But we'll come back next week to see if like anything tightens up a little bit and actually starts to make fucking sense and deliver and shit. But as of right now, shit's just not wanting to fuck with it. Down 21.38 on the day. 21.38 on the day. Our only winning day.
More crypto.
Our only winning day on the month was Tuesday. That was it. That was Tuesday. Everything else after that has been just kind of break even, loss, and a saved loss. And we've been taking great setups as well. So yeah, bro. I mean, seems like pretty much the only thing we can do. If we risk $300, you know, our next win would be $6K, which would bring us only down, like, I don't even know, but yeah, I think that's the only thing we can do, bro. I don't want to. It's a lot of risk for me, but you know what I'm saying? We haven't seen profit once this whole time, so our drawdown is still like, what's 2,500? What's 50,000 minus 2,500? 4,750. So we got plenty of drawdown left to go, bro. We gotta really put this shit to the test, because right now, boy, we're not cooperating. So probably should have just stayed in bed. A great short setup. I love the trade. It was just pretty later. It was late in the day. So I guess that's the only thing I can say about it. But I'll see you guys Monday. Hopefully the markets are better. Fuck this. Fuck you guys.